Hello and welcome to this new video of Tactical Index. Today I'm gonna show you how to install the PMG-209, which is a blank firing grenade and uses 209 primers. So let's go. First you're gonna start off with the body. There's nothing to do with this. It's already as it should be. I've only inserted two rods inside to be strong and to help with the strength of this section. And from there you can take this part, a spring, the screw, this, you've got pretty much everything you need. So from there you're gonna take your screw. As you can see, I've already made it pointy. You just have to take like a file and do it like this, or with a bit more specialized hardware, but yeah, you can do it like this. You insert it inside and then you're gonna put it from the top, and from there it's a bit tricky because you need to take the spring. I'm gonna show you which length you need. You're gonna have to do it a bit longer like this. If you can put the section you cut inside. It's gonna be a bit better because this surface is flat. It will be easier to install everything. Sorry. Okay, there inside. I'm just gonna make it like this so the screw doesn't move. From there, it's the tricky thing because you're gonna need your washer there, and we're gonna have to compress and screw the nut at the same time. I told you this part is really painful. Maybe I have to cut some of this there. Yeah. Okay, and you're gonna screw it until it hits the printed part. Yeah, perfect. You can test. Yes, it works. And from there you can put the lever this side. You take your pin there, you align it with the hole. Yes, now it goes through, and from there you will put the primer there. But first you're gonna need to rearm this. I'm gonna show you with this screwdriver. You can push it, and from there you can see it doesn't, when I move it, you see? And I don't know if you can see from there, but you see? And maybe on the other side we can see something. Nope, but that's not a problem. And then you put your primer, you screw it, and from there you can put the safety pin, which I don't have yet, but you can put it right there, and when you're ready, take it, and then thanks for watching.